Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 13th, 2025, and we're diving into Landstar's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Landstar, a leader in transportation management solutions, has just released their Q1 2025 earnings. Let's break down the numbers and see how they performed.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Landstar reported a revenue of $1.153 billion for the first quarter of 2025. How does this compare to their previous performance, John?
Landstar's revenue saw a slight decline from $1.171 billion in the same quarter last year. However, the company managed to maintain a strong position in the market despite the challenging economic conditions. Their adjusted earnings per share came in at 85 cents, which unfortunately missed the analyst forecast of 92.
Despite the miss on EPS, Landstar announced an 11% increase in their quarterly dividend. What does this signal to investors?
This dividend increase is a positive sign, indicating Landstar's confidence in their cash flow and financial stability. It shows their commitment to returning value to shareholders, even amidst a slight dip in earnings.
Operational challenges and fraud impact. John, Landstar faced some operational challenges this quarter, including a supply chain fraud. Can you elaborate on this?
Yes, Landstar identified a supply chain fraud in their international freight forwarding operations, which resulted in a $4.8 million pre-tax charge. This impacted their EPS by 10 cents. Additionally, they experienced elevated insurance and claim costs, which were significantly higher than their historical averages.
How did these challenges affect their core operations, particularly in truckload revenue?
Despite these setbacks, Landstar's truckload revenue remained robust at $1.05 billion, accounting for 91% of their total revenue. This resilience highlights their strong operational framework and ability to navigate through adversities.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Let's talk about Landstar's strategic initiatives. They have been active in returning capital to shareholders. What are the key highlights here?
Landstar repurchased approximately 386,000 shares of its common stock for $60.9 million and paid $83.3 million in cash dividends during the quarter. They are authorized to purchase an additional 2.16 million shares, which underscores their commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
How does this align with their long-term strategy?
These actions are in line with Landstar's strategy to maintain a strong balance sheet while providing consistent returns to shareholders. It reflects their confidence in the company's future prospects and financial health.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what can we expect from Landstar, and what insights did the CEO provide?
CEO Frank Lonegro expressed optimism about the company's truckload performance, noting it was the first time in 15 years that the number of loads hauled via truck in Q1 exceeded the previous quarter. This is a positive indicator for future growth. Additionally, Landstar's return on equity and invested capital remains strong at 18% and 17%, respectively.
These metrics certainly paint a promising picture. Any final thoughts on their future outlook?
Landstar's focus on safety, security, and service, combined with their strategic initiatives, positions them well for continued success. Investors should keep an eye on how they manage operational challenges and leverage their strengths in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Landstar's Q1 2025 performance showcased resilience amidst challenges, with a slight revenue decline but strong shareholder returns. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Landstar's performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Landstar's performance in the comments below. Until next time.